It is a very, very hard ice behind me on the driveway. Very slippery. Just dealing with the smoke alarm. I tried flipping the breakers, switching some batteries, have the garage door open. I'm pretty sure it's not any carbon monoxide issue. I think it's like a low battery issue, but it's going beep, 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 beep. But yeah, the road is covered in snow, but I think it's more like ice. And I was just thinking of Casey Neistat, who had the snowboarding behind a car in New York City, which totally would have been fun to do. Pretty icy to try that here, and it would really wreck the board. But it made me think about how my dad had a studio in the area of San Diego that I think they call the Gaslamp, and he was a real working artist, so the studio was really similar to Casey Neistat's, although it predated it, and was a million times cooler. And I was just thinking, I was like, man, that would have been it. Just being able to film that. Oh, okay, I gotta work on the smoke alarm system is beeping again. I don't know what to do. Batteries, breakers.